Ever wonder how to get that perfect shot on your iPhone with just the right amount of zoom? I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Follow me at CyberGuy.com where you can get my newsletter for free. Both the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max come with a very nifty camera setup. The main camera boasts a one-time zoom and the ultra-wide camera a cool 0.5x zoom. But here's the kicker. With iOS 17 and later, you have the power to control your zoom levels right from the menu. Want to set up a default zoom level for your main camera? It's super easy. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your Settings app, tap on Camera, then scroll down and tap Main Camera. Here you'll find all the settings you need to adjust your camera zoom, such as default to 24 millimeters, 1x default to 28 millimeters, or 1.2x, or default to 35 millimeters, or 1.5x. Or if you want a more detailed view, head to the Camera app and just press and hold the 1x button. You'll see a wheel pop up giving you the ability to dial in the zoom level just for that moment. Spin it to your desired magnification and capture your perfect shot with precision. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you're now a master of your own zoom on an iPhone 15 or later. More quick tips like this at CyberGuy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? Head to CyberGuy.com in your browser and click the red button.